Yeah, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm going to be doing a series on Dreamweaver 5.5 and what's new. Yeah, lots of cool things. And it should start any time. Oops, sorry guys. Andy Anderson's the name, and Dreamweaver's the game. That's kind of rude. I apologize for that. What are we doing here? What are we doing outside? Well, number one, it is a beautiful spring day. And spring means life. And I like being outside. And number two, my wife has decided that this is the week that we fix 2 of our bathrooms. So the house is full of carpenters, painters, plumbers, and they just started using belt sanders. This is the only place that I can get out and relax. We're here to talk about Dreamweaver 5.5. A very common question. Do I need to upgrade? Andy, what's the difference? Now, being a politician, I can answer that question with a question, and that would be, what do you do with the program? I'm going to give you a hint about what's going on in 5.5. Monitors, smartphones, tablets. That's your hint. In other words, how do we get things to work on all these devices? And one of the things that 5.5 does, and it does it very well, is help us achieve that goal. So, with that said, it sounds like somebody just started up a lawnmower over here, so maybe my peace and quiet's not so great out here. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get into 5.5 and see some of the major differences in the program. What do you say?